Hi, I'm Sergeant Rob, the Director of Training for IDD Safe. Today I want to shed some light on an important topic that concerns your rights and protections as citizens when it comes to police interactions at our homes. Specifically, I'll discuss the three main reasons why police may come knocking at your door. Number 1, a knock and talk investigation. Number 2, a 911 call for service. And number 3, a warrant signed by a judge. Along the way, I'll touch upon the legal ways officers can enter your home, the rights you have during these encounters, and the potential consequences that can arise. Let's begin with a knock and talk investigation. This is when officers approach your home to ask questions, gather information, or seek cooperation from you in an ongoing investigation. It's important to note that during a knock and talk, officers do not have the authority to enter your home without your permission or without a warrant. You have the right to refuse their entry and are under no obligation to answer any of their questions. The Fourth Amendment of the United States Constitution protects us from unreasonable searches and seizures, and includes our homes. However, if officers have reasonable suspicion or probable cause that a crime has occurred or is about to occur, they can search your home without a warrant. It's crucial to understand that they must be able to articulate specific facts that justify their belief. But remember, without a warrant, you have the right to refuse the search, even if you initially granted permission. You can simply and clearly state that you no longer consent, and the search needs to be stopped, and request the officers to leave your property. Now, let's shift our focus to a 911 call for service. When a call is made to emergency services, the police may respond to ensure the safety and well-being of everyone involved. If they have a reason to believe that there's an immediate threat or exigent circumstances, such as a cry for help or signs that a crime is in progress, they can enter your home without a warrant. The priority here is to protect lives and property. However, if no emergency or exigent circumstances exist, officers can't enter your home without your permission or a warrant. And lastly, a warrant signed by a judge is another circumstance in which officers can lawfully enter your home. A warrant is issued when a judge determines there is probable cause to believe that evidence of a crime can be found on the premises. When presented with a valid warrant, officers have the authority to enter and search your home within the limits specified by the warrant. It's crucial to note that you should ask to see the warrant and read it carefully, ensuring that it contains the correct address and the descriptions of the areas that are going to be searched. This is a time your caregiver or parent can help you understand what is written in the warrant so you have a better understanding. Now, what happens when officers find something they believe to be evidence during a search? If they discover evidence in plain view or have a lawful reason to believe it's connected to criminal activity, they can seize it. This can potentially transform a consensual knock and talk encounter into a seizure, investigative detention, or even an arrest. It's important to understand, while you have the right to refuse the search, if officers have a warrant or probable cause, they can lawfully proceed. Now, to summarize, you have the right to refuse entry and the right to refuse a search, even after initially granting permission. You can exercise your rights by clearly and calmly stating that you do not consent to the search and you're asking the officers to leave your property. Remember, you have the power to protect your Fourth Amendment rights. Remember that safety is key, whether another person called 911, to have the police come to your house, and just stay away from anything that should be considered a weapon if police are present. Don't keep anything in your hands, and always be sure to stay calm and cooperative so that a simple misunderstanding does not turn into a physical contact or even worse. In conclusion, understanding the reasons why police may come to your home, the legal ways officers can enter, and your rights during these encounters is so essential. Stay informed, know your rights, and if you need it, consult a legal counsel to ensure that your rights are protected. Thank you for your attention, and remember to be IDD safe.